Hola, from Julieta. Actually, hi y'all from Lizzie Onion Head. I'm gonna cosplay Julieta at the Anime Con. So this is my test. Styling the wig was a little hard, and it's not perfect, but you can tell I'm Julieta, can you? Okay, anyway, it's time to make arepas. So, I mean, obviously Julieta would not buy a package of arepa in the store, but this is how I'm going to make them. So let's go make arepas, okay? Bye. All right, the ingredients we're going to need are arepa flour, a 1/3 cup of white cheese, I got mozzarella, 2 tablespoons of butter, a pinch of salt, and a cup of warm water. All right, let's get started. All right, combine the cornmeal, the butter. I might need to get a spoon for that. There we go. The cheese, pinch of salt, and the warm water. So we're going to mix this up thoroughly. And I'll be right back. All right, after you mix all the ingredients, you let it stand for 5 minutes, so we're taking a little break. All right, after letting it sit for 3 minutes, you knead it with your hands. And then you form it into 4 balls. So, these are going to be little corn cakes of deliciousness. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the balls, the little dough balls, here. Put them between 2 plastic bags. All right, it says to put a pot on them, but I'm just going to use my hands to press them flat. Pretty uniform. Suppose we could use the bowl to make them really uniform. Okay, more in a moment. Hi, I'm back. When I flatten them, they get kind of broken around the edges, so I reform them with my hands, and I'm going to transfer them to this plate, and we are going to do the next step. The next step is putting some butter in a pan, because that's where we're going to cook them. All right, here are the arepas in the frying pan in butter, and it smells so good. And we're going to cook them on each side for 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Flip them over, and look at this delicious crust. Look at that. Wow, and these smell really good too. So we're cooking them for 3 more minutes on the other side. See? When they're cooked on both sides, they don't fall apart. See? So we are almost finished making our arepas. These are arepas con queso. And they are so good. They are like little corn cakes of deliciousness. Mmm. These are so good. And hot. Mm. So, these are really easy to make. So go make some and enjoy some delicious arepas con queso. Peace.